52 blocks, lesson 23. Meet Mr. Skull and Bones. Uh-oh. It took us 23 days to get to one block. I know you in your house, you're growing crazy. Like, where are the blocks, like? But listen here. When you're building the house, where do you start? The roof or the foundation? Exactly. So I had to build up your foundation so that your house is sitting on steel, concrete, Mama Earth. If I didn't do that, you would have a house on ice. A hill would come and your house would slide down into the water and you drown. And then you'd blame me, like this 52 blocks didn't work. So why did it take you 23 days to get to one block? Because foundation is crucial. Once these legs are strong, you can throw anything on the top. You know, I could be a chef. My legs dry, I can beat you up with a spatula. The chariots must be strong. So all the tension that you feel in the fight should be here. And that's what you just went through. You went through an intense 23 days of leg practices to get you to this one point, this one moment when the blocking begins. So we're going to take a look at it from the stance. Remember our fighting stance? 45-degree angle. We're going to step over the line. We're going to have, for our lead skull and bones, we're going to use a lead foot up. Because we're going to practice our lead skull and bones, but we're going to practice it with the lead. And why is that? Because when you learn to do your lead skull and bones, you'll learn that your source of strength comes through this mother leg. And this arm right here connects all the way to your shoulder down into this leg. That's what's supporting this arm, is this leg. That's why this foot has to be up. Without this foot up, this arm supports itself. It can't block nothing because it has nothing to build a root from. See, we build the root from here, and that's what causes the skull and bones to be strong. So you see this shape, and the first thing you want to do is you want to do the shape. So So I'm going to show you an easy way to always get your skull and bones off and how to practice it. So front foot up, hands up. The blocking arm will always be on the bottom. What does that mean? I want to block with my left hand, so it's on the bottom. I'm going to go wrist to elbow. See this? Wrist to elbow. This wrist covers this elbow. This elbow covers this wrist. And I'm going to sit my way back. So let's look at that again from our fighting position. We're going to fold the blocking arm down. The rear arm sits on top, wrist to elbow, and we use a diagonal. Now this motion is important. You're going to say why? Because of this motion, the force that hits this travels through my arm, in my leg, and through the ground. Now, without this fold, the force would hit me right in the middle and cause me to go over my back. I need the energy to go into the ground. So that is the biggest reasons for the diagonal shape. So wrist to elbow, slant. The slant helps run the power to the leg. The hands are extra catches just in case. I need to maybe catch with this hand, push away with this hand. This hand is also going to become the server of justice. But for right now, it's the top arm. And we come back. So, skull and bones, fold motion. Lay the lead down. Rear on top, wrist to elbow. Slant. And sit down. Look at that footwork. Look where I'm all the way in that back leg like a horse. I can lift that foot leg, that front leg, got nothing but lightness to it. It can go. Skull and bones, homework. From your fight position, hands up. This rep will be done by 1. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. We need 25 all together. 1 move, 1 rep. Skull and bones, arm folding for beginners.